Myself, teacher Sneha Nagesh Salgaonkar. I teach from 1st to 4th English basically as trained English teacher in GPS Altobeti. And today's activity, what I had planned was basically for FLN. In the beginning, what I did was I did one warm-up activity after the midday meal. They were not in a position to actually do something, so I did one warm-up activity first. As soon as I finished with the warm-up activity, I divided them into 2 groups. So before starting with the game, I will divide you all into 2 groups. Okay, we will start with number 1, then number 2, again number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2, like this. Okay, so shall we start with Shishir? Okay, say number 1. 1. Like number 1 and 2, then they were divided, and I asked them to give a specific name for their groups which they enjoyed. Then 2 activities were shared on the blackboard, and 1 dice was prepared by me. Basically, they had to roll the dice and they had to look at the blackboard, and once they rolled the dice, they had to look at the object which was there on the blackboard. So after they looked at the object, they had to find a similar object which was hidden in the classroom, and once they had brought it back to me, they had to write the name of that particular object. So there were certain students who weren't able to write the name of the object, so from that particular group, another child came forward and helped the group member. So like this was a phase it went on. Open space helps children learn better because they can move in and around the classroom, they can move freely, then they can talk to their peers, they can when they sit in a group, they tend to learn more. And then after that, I prepared some worksheets. It was designed according to the levels of the students. I distributed to them according to their levels, and I was happy to see that they were able to do the worksheets very well. And after that, I had summarized with them. I asked them, what did you all learn today? So they told me they learned names of different objects, then how they made sentences, which was very important, and then how they did the matching and all. So basically it was, the lesson was to make sentence framing, then naming certain objects which are around us, which are used in our daily lives. So basically the entire lesson was naming and making sentences.